All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Shaman J. Today we're going to be looking at things from WhiteStone Dome. Here's their case and their lens protector and the screen protector. I'll go ahead and show you these items now. We'll go ahead and start with this screen protector or lens protectors. I'll go ahead and put these on and then I'll work my way down the list here. As you can see, I did get my, oh good, they gave me more than one set. That's cool. Get two of them in here. Let's put this aside for now. You get these two here, and this is, putting these on is very simple. You peel this off and you press down and then it'll stay on there. So again, you do get two of them. And let's go ahead and get the phone over here so we can get it cleaned up. I recommend these lens protectors for sure because they are very nice. I have them on certain phones and I think they work very well. So use one set of this and put the other set back in here for backup. All right. Now here's the S24 Ultra. We'll go ahead and clean this off and then we'll go ahead and get the wet wipe and let's get our phone protected. Just want to make sure this area is really clean. This video has been recorded with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As you know, I didn't trade in my S23 Ultra. I decided to keep it. I was like, yeah, it's worth keeping. So I'll go ahead and get this here. Now, this is just definitely to make sure you get every piece of lint and dirt off of these lenses. That is what that is for. Now we want to take our glass and make sure it's clean on there. So I typically give it another once over when I'm doing this. Just want to make sure. And then we're going to peel this off. Again, making sure you hit it properly. Now we're going to go ahead and press down on here. There we go. Now you just give it a press and the lenses are going to be on there. They're going to stay on there once I lift this up. There's like a clear film on both sides, one holding on and one to keep it clear and clean. So just make sure you press them on there nicely. I trust these too because boom, there they are. As you can see, there's no more black lens covers inside of here. They are actually on the device. Now what I typically do is I'll give it another once over, just wiping it down, making sure it's going to be clear and everything like that. And then it is good to go. There we are. Now you got your phone protected nicely. Now let's move on to the screen protector. This is the Easy Dome setup. I like the Easy Dome setup because it's easy to put on. Now, obviously, WhiteStone Dome sends over a boatload of things for reviewers to review sometimes. And I always start with this one because it's just easy. So this is a 2-pack once again. Get two of them in here. We'll take one out. We'll take a set of these out. I'm going to use one of these. And we'll get our microfiber cloth. These aren't the best microfiber cloths, but you know they have to be able to sustain profit. So they've gone to these cheaper ones here, which is understandable. So always backup set. Pop it right back in there. Throw it aside. All right. Now, these are really nice right here, man. I really like these. So now we're going to go ahead and get some satisfaction going on here after we pull this off. First, we'll take a look at this. This is how it comes to you. And what you do, there's no way to mess this up. You literally just put it down on your phone like this. There's no way to mess this up. companies have obviously gotten better at doing this. Now I'm going to use the wet wipe and use the cloth here. I technically really probably don't have to, but this is the full install process. Ooh, yeah, gratifying. All right. Since this is new coming off, I'm saying that's probably why I probably didn't have to do it, but dust and lint, it gets on pretty fast. So, all right. What do you guys think about the flatter design and the flatter display on the S24 Ultra? You think it's just a game changer, like some people are saying? I don't think it's a game changer. I just think it's another step in the direction that companies know they should have gone a while ago, or they're following other OEMs or whatever. I don't know. I personally don't mind the curved display, but when it comes to screen protectors, that's where the curved display really takes a hit, and you end up with just a mess of a scene with your phone. You start putting it in cases, and it's just a mess. So get this off. I keep this in hand until I actually drop it down, man. It's just a must. So now we want to go ahead and peel this off. I always kind of keep this downwards like that. And again, you cannot mess this up. You push it down on here like this. Now the first thing you do is you follow the instructions. It goes a 1, 2, 3, and anyone old enough? anyone old enough? All right, and then 4, you lift up this portion here, and then you'll take off the actual screen there thing, this shell here. And it doesn't get any better than that, folks. You wouldn't even think a screen protector was on here. Wow, that is impressive. I mean, I did a great job. I did a great job. I did. Oh, there's a little bubble right there. Oh yeah, it's gone. You probably couldn't even see it. Yeah, it's gone. Perfect. Oh man, not perfect, but close for a screen protector install. And if there are any bubbles, they will go away. Now, if you're wondering, well, Jay, you didn't turn the screen on yet. That's because the phone is still brand new and I'm about to turn it on in a little bit. But first, wow, that is great. Let's show you the case. This case has got some weight to it, man. I'm shocked. It's a hard case too. I didn't know it was going to be this hard. All right, there we go. So we've got some protective film on here. We need to actually get off. And let's clean the phone up. I love those lens protectors. Let's pop this on. Oh, I would get some dust inside. Come on, Jay. Come on, Jay. You got a little bit of lint inside of there. How you got that lint in there, I don't know. Whew. All right, here we go. Let's try it again. Yeah, these clear cases, man, it'll show everything. So there it is, man. There's your WhiteStone Dome setup for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I can't say I'm a fan of these cases doing this, but I understand why they're doing it. They have to get that MagSafe type deal. Let's see if I got some MagSafe stuff. Do I have any MagSafe stuff laying around? There's a bunch of it around here somewhere, but nonetheless, here it is, man. You got lip protection, you got screen protection, you got camera protection. I mean, you are ready. Ooh. First boot. Literally the first boot. I have not started this phone up yet. You got your S Pen down there, your ports and everything line up. Microphone holes. This is I don't know how I feel about this next to the S23 Ultra. I'm gonna have to get them side by side to be sure that one's wider than the other, but I think this one is a little shorter and wider. See, I wasn't lying, first boot. It's your man Jay, hope you guys enjoyed. WhiteStone Dome has entered the building. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.